We are often more scared to be in our body than we are to be in our mind. We are often held by our thoughts and overthinking and overwhelmed. We need to get out of our typical autopilot routine and change the way that we view ourselves from another perspective. Legs Up the Wall is known to provide immense rest, reduction in stress and tension, improved circulation and sleep, reduction in inflammation and cramping and headaches, the value of taking time for deep rest, and the medicine of your own presence.